नमस्कार. हाऊ आर यू ऑल? कसे आहात सगळे? काल आपण इफ नावाचं फंक्शन बघितलं होतं, जर तुम्हाला आठवत असेल तर. आणि आज आपण करेक्ट त्याच्या पुढचेच काही थोडेसे ॲडव्हान्स पार्ट बघणार आहोत. अतिशय सोपं आहे, कारण मला माहिती आहे, कधी-कधी आपल्याला असं वाटतं, की हे आपल्याला जमणारच नाही. पण असं होत नाही. इफ वी ट्राय हार्ड, इफ वी प्रॅक्टिस वेल, देन एव्हरीथिंग बिकम्स पॉसिबल. लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडे. Let's revise for a 1 minute. Okay. Yesterday we learnt about this if formula where we put condition in the formula that if this particular sale is greater than, less than, if it has something or whatever condition you want, you can put it in here. And if that condition works, if that is true, what result should come up? If that is false, what result should come up, right? But that was only for a one condition. Now I'm telling you about multi conditions or multiple conditions. That is if and. I'm going to use that formula. Firstly, let's start by putting in formula. लगेचच formula टाकूया. We'll start by putting in equal to. Then we'll put if and. So I want to put in two condition, and that's why I'll place the bracket in here and then put and. Now you can see there is and name, there is one more function that is and we are putting it in the formula. Okay, so we can press tab. Now the another bracket turns here. Okay, and our first condition, it might be like yeah, we can say this cell should be less than 450. This cell should be greater than 550. Would that be okay? And then our next condition will be the percentage obtained should be less than 40. Will that be good? Or we can say just 50, right? And then the condition is complete, right? I'll just complete the bracket. Then what should I put if this condition works out? Then what value should I put? It should be if this is true, that the sale is greater, the pocket money is greater than 550 and percentage obtained is less than 50, then we can say the value, if true, will be costly. Okay, it is a text आणि म्हणून टेक्स्ट असल्यामुळे आय विल put it in the double colon. So that is costly, or I'll just say expensive. Okay, double inverted comma complete, then I'll press comma. Value, if it is false, then NA, that is not applicable. Again I have to put it in double inverted comma, right? Comma complete. I'll complete the bracket afterwards and I'll press enter. See, the sale is not greater than 500 and it has 65%, so it is not applicable, and that's why we are getting result as NA. Simply we can drag this. See, all coming as NA. Why is that? We have to see why we are getting this kind of result. Okay, simply right now there is no such sale which contains pocket money more than 500 and expenses more than 550. So simply we can turn the formula. Okay, we'll change a bit and then we can see. Right here we are seeing that our pocket money should be greater than 550. I'll change it and make it 300. Okay, and the percentage we are saying it should be less than 50. I'll turn it, I'll make it 60 and then enter, and then again I'll drag the formula. See, now I can see there are these three entries which we can say the students are expensive to prompt or expensive to promote. That means their percentage are less and their pocket money is great as per their percentage. So that was one of the thing that we can say about this thing. Okay, so we put two conditions by using this formula if and and. Okay, पण या कंडिशन मध्ये तुम्हाला लक्षात येतं की आयदर आपल्याला दोन्ही कंडिशन्स फुलफिल करायला लागतात. So with the formula and, we have to fulfill both the condition to get the result, expensive or any. But if we use or formula, we can say either one or either first or second condition true, then we can get results for true. And if it is not, then we can get results for false. So simply we can put if and or formula equal to if in the bracket, in the bracket, or tab. Remember, we have to put the sales. So I'll put this sale percentage of 10 should be greater than 60, comma, second condition, maybe pocket money greater than 450. Bracket complete, because we have completed with our two condition. You can add one more, two more, three more, any more conditions that you want. Then after adding those condition, you can complete the bracket, put the comma, then value if true. If these conditions are true, then what value should be here? We can say yes, yes, and if this value is false, then it should be no, and that's it. Bracket complete, enter. So we can say this condition is true, and that's why we are getting yes result. If I drag this formula, we can just only see these four cells with no result. Are you getting it? But we can simply say कि either way one or more conditions are not fulfilled, and that's why we are getting no results. Let's see how we can automate this result. That means without using it again and again, we can just add up our result. So rather than putting C2 is greater than 300, right here where 300 is placed, we can place a fixed place or a cell, that is this table. And then we can just simply add that number. Similarly, yeah, similarly we can add here the cell which is percentage and enter. We can say, we can change any kind of percentage here, and the results will be changed. I'm just dragging this formula down. Okay, now we can see this one is expensive here. आता मी या सेल मध्ये, that is ही जी इथे, let me just brighten it so that we can get the easy access or easy visibility. सो आता मी या सेलमध्ये कुठलेही नंबर चेंज केले. इफ आय पुट 56, द रिझल्ट्स विल बी चेंज. इफ आय पुट 250, द रिझल्ट्स विल बी चेंज. दॅट मीन्स मी जशा प्रकारे माझे हे बदलतीये ओव्हरऑल रिझल्ट्स, तसं बदलत चाललंय तिकडचं कॉलम. ओके, आय पुट 40 or I can put 80 and I'll put here 300, enter. See, these results are changing accordingly. So पुढच्या वेळी तुम्ही एकदा फॉर्म्युला लावलेला असेल, you don't have to drag it or draw it again. You just can change result, that's it. For that I'll show you how we can. I'll do the conditional formatting here, highlight the cell, text that contains expensive, okay, and we'll get result with expensive sale. Okay, now I can change this and you can see changing the results. I'll say 50, enter. See, the results changed. Then I'll say 600, enter. The results are changing. You can see how automated this is, and it is very easy to use. If you have table prepared, you can use it anytime, anywhere. Okay, today's step with these two functions, if and in and if or, I can merge two cells. मी दोन सेल एकत्र करू शकते. How I can merge these two cells? Simply I can select those cells. So now I have selected I2 and J2, and then here it is option in home tab, merge and center, and that's it. Now two cells are together. Even I can show you it in this format. I have selected 5 cells from I8 to M8 and I'll press merge. See, now this is a one single cell, we can see, right? So how to merge, I have shown you. Now you can see that these two are at the left word, and these two numbers are at the right word of the cell. We can drag them into the middle so that it will look beautiful like this left table, this table. So simply I can press this tab or this button in the home tab, that is center. So I am pressing that, and now my numbers are in middle. If I want all the numbers in the leftward, there is this leftward button, align left, and you can align all the numbers in a left. Now, if I want to make them at the right, I can just press align right in the same region, and I'm getting all the right word number, right? So right now I want just them in middle, I'm pressing it. And simply, if I want these two to be bold enough to be visible better, so that so the short form for that is Control B, it will make them bold. Or for that matter, you can press B in the home tab to get. Right now it is already pressed, I'll show you. You can press B button in the bold tab. The short form is Control B, or you can just press this by mouse and you are getting it bold. So we have learned about merging, centering or aligning, and making them bold, and if and if or formula. So that's it for today. प्लीज घरी राहा. मला माहिती आहे जे कोकण रिजन मधून किंवा ओव्हरऑल सगळ्या महाराष्ट्राला, कदाचित साऊथ इंडियन स्टेट्स ना वादळाचा खूप मोठा धोका आज दिसून येतोय. सो प्लीज आपल्या घरातच राहा, घाबरू नका, सगळं काही छान होईल. प्लीज स्टे इन युअर हाऊसेस, डोंट बी अफ्रेड, वी आर गोइंग टू गेट थ्रू इट. आपण नक्की यातून बाहेर पडणार. ओके, टिल देन हॅव अ व्हेरी नाईस डे अहेड. बाय, स्टे ट्यून.